So how come this time you're not putting it on the trailer?
I want to test my car first. Last time I didn't test my car, but now I gotta test the 65 road. Better to drive it than risk it.
Do you ever have like some pre-race rituals?
Nah, just stay chill. Don't get in my own head.
Hey, why'd you only put $13?
I got half a tank, fool.
But that's because ethanol, like, it fills up the car faster because it's more gas for less money.
Does it have to do with the weight reduction too in a way, right? Yeah.
No, not really. You just filled it up, right?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you did it? Oh, okay, nice. So yeah, it does have to do with it.
This race is gonna be dope. Last race was cool. I think this one's gonna be like insane. We'll see. But of course, Riko for the win. You already know it.
What did you guys do to race car?
Race car? We actually done a lot, man. So this is actually how we met Ray. He brought us his wide body Supra to PQ maybe about a year ago. You know, the car had a whole bunch of problems. It was worked at another shop. We did our thing on it. We sauced it up. From there, we wrapped it a green. We got bored of that color. Then we wrapped it orange. We've done tons of modifications like stage 1 transmission or stage 2. I'm not sure. We did a pure 900, pure turbo. The list is endless. We've done so many things, and we got a lot more in store for this stuff.
The car's a little hot. Cool it down.
Hey, you did a 65 though? Felt good?
You didn't spin on it? Hey, did you break yours? Like,
no, like they're not crazy.
Not crazy, huh? Yeah.
And it is spinning
like enough to spool the turbo.
Yeah, they're spinning off.
We had a save shit, no?
Yeah, I got it in December. I hadn't seen it.
Nah, I remember when you got it and you posted it like this one's gonna be a killer or whatever, and then here we are running consistent 2s 60-130 on low boost.
I wish.
Did you turn on and off when it's all-wheel drive or not, or no? No? It's always on. Just to skate around like that.
I felt like Trevor's.
What are you looking at right now, Justin?
Just making sure all the boost lines are good.
Is that Ray?
I know, Loki's smack right now. Loki? Cobra.
If he loses a tone, I beat Tone twice. That means I beat you guys twice. Because that's a math right there.
Hey, he pulled me down though.
He pulled you down for our race. He went a 3-2 on our race.
We went down still more.
Fuck, you can't go down lower than that. They'll keep forward.
Oh, that means we in business tonight.
What's the snacks for tonight? Okay.
I shouldn't be eating this, but my tire broke down. It's an excuse.
What are you getting for tonight's race? What's the snack?
I'm gonna get some nitrous so we can win.
Dude, is that the snack for tonight?
Yeah, that was snack.
Tony the low.
Are you excited for tonight?
Nah, I'm never excited before I race. It's a nerve-wracking feeling.
Oh, okay. So is there like a pre-race ritual that you have?
Yeah, nah, the only ritual you got is, you know, you do the crawl, we get it going. So many things that can happen in the race. You can flip, spin, brake, oil bust all over, you know what I mean?
What's the craziest thing that's happened to you at a race?
I flipped.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't at a race though, but I was doing a pool. I flipped like 4 times.
Do you know what caused it?
To be honest, I was tuning somebody. Ugly and real hot.
What the fuck?
All right, same mode, one and done?
Yeah, 65 to 150.
65, 150, one and done.
One and done.
Brake you pay. Brake taking a passenger or nah?
Nah, no problem.
Brake you pay?
Brake, if you brake after 130, you pay.
Damn, that's a whole race.
Bro, that's the whole race. That's the whole race.
Brake after 130. Yeah, that's cool.
Brake off the line, whatever. I don't want drama. I just want a clean race, one and done.
Yeah, that's cool.
My tread stops at 151. If I shift again, my tread is gonna blow up.
Stop at 150, nigga.
Like on the GoPro, it won't show 150. It'll show like 148, 149.
Nah, we told Trevor about that.
I told Trevor the same shit.
Thing, so as long as you guys
I'm
don't make that initial,
148.
Yeah, like 148, 149 on GoPro is what it shows. I mean, I'll take it as far as I can take it. I'm gonna redline the fuck out of it.
Barely holding on. They probably won't even barely see the race.
So if you at 147, you ain't at 150 then. 148 is what I'm getting.
Yeah, around there. Yeah, I'm gonna redline the fuck out of it. So we go wherever.
That's cool.
Hopefully we don't have to get that technical.
Yeah, one and done.
You wanna count?
Fuck no. That's nothing. Doing this ain't gonna work.
I mean, I'll count.
Yeah, that's it, basically. I can put ice in the car for like 5 minutes. We get this bitch going. Shit, we gotta collect.
Any special rules you guys have so that we don't like argue back and
Bro,
forth?
I'm simple as fuck. One and done, boom. You spin, game over, I guess. I might take a passenger. I can't hook right now.
We just want a nice clean race. We lose, we pay.
Yeah, no time.
We win, we
collect. I'll be back.
I got abandoned this one. I got like 1,500, no cut.
Yeah, 400.
How much?
500.
You have it?
Yeah, here.
Damn, I got a band if I could put a band.
Okay, let's count again for before we start getting out of pocket. Okay, hold on.
6,600.
6650. Oh, this one's gonna come back with $2,000, fool. Oh, I know it, dog.
I hope they don't, bro. 1,700?
I mean, I got.
1,700?
Yeah.
Wait, are you dead ass? You're not lying.
Wait, I got you. We got 30K.
What's the pot?
You know this man, you know how we do it.
How much you got that?
8K? 8,000?
Hey, y'all got to skedaddle with that one.
Where you guys at?
You did like 2 bands. We only like 2. Hey, we beautiful. Hey, he lost a Trevor. I thought we was gonna put a lot in. That don't make no sense.
There's a reason why he's racing me, bro.
Yeah, he thought Trevor slept. That's the only reason why.
Trevor Conner, how you gonna sleep?
Huh?
I said Trevor Conner, there's no way he slept.
I don't know what to tell you, man.
Can you guys bring it up a little bit?
We're at 200, two bands, bro. 2 bands.
Like 2,500, 3K?
Check.
Let's try to do at least 5K.
You said 2 bands, bro. That's it. Literally.
Let's try to do at least 5K, bro. Come on.
Bro. I already asked him, you said 2 bands only, man. It don't make no sense. I'm telling you, like, he lost a Trevor. It don't make no sense to up it up.
I mean, if you agree to race him, that means he's faster than Trevor. So.
It is what it is, bro. He ain't going
We'll do 2,200. I'll throw it at 200.
25. Okay, 25.
We got 2 bands, right? Really, that's it though. 2 bands.
Alright, let's pass some money back.
It's only 6 of us. It's only 2 bands.
It's 6 of us versus 1,000 of y'all.
It's only like 10 of us in the pot. Everybody who put in, the team has priority, okay? So if you're PQs,
Edward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, I think this one's fake.
don't be bloody.
Start the new one. I got 2K.
How much you want to put in? $3.
$3. All right, Rico, $3.
I'll do 100. I'll do 100.
Nah, put more. Put your car.
Everybody can eat food. I don't care.
Nah, I'm gonna put in Rico for 500 food.
If I eat, we all eat.
2 flat, cool.
2 flat, cool.
Yeah.
That's it. That's where we're at. That's where you guys are at.
How do you want me to count?
Don't do the Trevor, the 1, 2, hit it. No.
1, 2, 3, and go.
Here we go.
So if you spin, it's GG's, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get you if I spin. I mean, it is what it is. You spin, same shit. But let's do the same shit. My 148 is 152 then. Make it make sense.
I mean, let's make it make sense.
I'm not gonna
That's cool, that's
Bullshit,
cool.
we're not-
Other than that, I don't give a fuck.
Let's make it as specific as possible because the last thing we want to do is be arguing over, you know? Like,
I'm ready when y'all are.
The
you guys want somebody to hold the
65.
money?
I don't think it should be a problem, bro.
Shouldn't be an issue, but I mean, if you guys want to
$2,000. Let's do it.
Yeah,
Let's do it. All right, bro.
Let's have a fun race. You don't think you raised him?
I saw that shit. You were literally dragging it.
So you beat him, right?
I won't fix 145.
I saw that shit. This fool's gone. Look, this fool dragging
What do you think? I had to adjust the shit all day. When I first got the car back, this shit was touching the hood right here.
Yeah, we got GoPro. I gotta make sure this nigga hit 150.
We're not going to see 150 on the GoPro.
148. Somebody he could have broke, like, you know what I mean?
He literally broke exactly where he told you he was gonna break.
When I'm at 65, I think you're at like probably like 62 on yours.
Why? That's why I'm looking at Draggy, bro. You're like half a car back. I'm like, what is this nigga
I
doing?
can't just sit on 4th gear.
Yeah, that took a lot of passes for you guys to take off.
For me to do 60,
For one, this nigga literally, bro, I got Draggy. The Draggy don't lie. It's satellite, everything. For one, this nigga talking about and just leaves. Like, bro, I didn't even put a thumb up, nigga. Like, where's he going?
last time you put a thumb up, you were ready.
Yeah, last time. Yeah,
The
for
first,
sure.
the first time I did 1-2, you took off. The second time I just took off on you, so we got each other back.
Yes.
The third time was a good run. The first time I was at 1-2, you took off.
Yeah, I'm literally expecting this nigga to just. This nigga's like, come on, bro, hit that shit. Like, I'm not a racer. Take it.
Cars and leave the owner of this property once you guys gone.
That shit broke at 138. Let's just go pay him. That's it. We got it. What's it? Pay him. We fix that shit and we run him back. Hey, Tone. Hey, you have your GoPro?
These niggas got GoPro.
Hey, throw me back tomorrow. Throw me back tomorrow. We'll go push out the 146.
Cool. I'm with it tomorrow. Oh God.
All right, we'll run it back.
I'm not one of them.
Yeah.
The cops will follow.
Hey, let's roll.
So what is it? Rerun?
Yeah, tomorrow.
All right, it's gonna be.
Hey,
you
they
fools
just
are
go.
gonna
They're
get
gonna
hit.
they're gonna
Get in the
whoever the
car,
last
get-
one is, they're gonna pop him.
The car can't leave. My car can't drive.
Oh,
PQ Racing, baby. We actually really do this racing, so this hat means a lot to us. Recap yesterday, Rico's being active at 240 that you guys have been seeing on our channel, been seeing on our Instagram. We raced one of the fastest C7s in Cali. So right now, we're only racing the fastest cars in California right now. So nobody else is stepping up. C7 stepped up. Rico was destroying the car by like 4 cars, maybe. I'll put the clip right here. And unfortunately, one of his injectors got stuck open. Luckily, there was no catastrophic failure. Rico did let off the throttle. The other car did come around him after like 140, but Rico was beating him bad. So we did pay due to technicality. We lost technically, but we actually did gap the other car. But technically, like I said, we lost. We didn't hit 150. So no questions asked. I'll give the money to the other team. Paid them. The car's ready right now. It was just an injector. We swapped it. Let's run that shit back tonight. Let's go.
Damn, you hear that shit?
Damn. Juan, how you feeling?
Scared, bro. My shit stock.
I missed one fucking exit because the cop was getting off right there. I like, fuck, I'll get off on the next one. 16 miles.
Is this one right here? This is stock, bro. Already stock. They come with the Whipple.
It could get Whipple and tunes from the factory.
I know, Whipple M2 factory. You could also get upgraded fuel system. You brought
You're racing this? This is low-key heavy as
almost the same weight.
Hell nah.
Yes.
That's like you have 1,000 left.
39.
It's almost 5.
No, it's not. It's not.
I promise you.
I
Look
looked
it
it
up.
up. I looked it up.
Look it up, because I couldn't find it. It only came me in the 4 doors.
It's 4 something, but it's like 4.5. It's almost there. Mine's 39. Plus, my fat ass on top of the car.
Are you ready? This is your first race or what?
Yes, sir.
Wait, how many races have you done?
With this truck, nah, probably like 1 or 2.
But you're confident in it?
Of course, it's a stock 775, so it moves. It's all about in the driver. Y la porra.
If he beats us, we're bringing out the Trackhawk and we're running him off a dig.
That's
Yeah, and I
deal.
get 2 cars and the
Oh,
boat.
hell nah.
I'm gonna go camp outside of PQ for the car meet. We're gonna do a 24-hour camp.
Hiding in the PQ shop for 24
We're
hours.
sneaking into PQ.
You guys steal a shop car?
Hey, we'd go do a donut in it. They don't even know.
You gotta go through Chucky, fool.
Who's Chucky? Real fool. Who's Chucky? Man, he laughing.
Hey, you didn't know PQ has a bear. That's the security guard.
K9 bear?
Yeah, they got a grizzly bear. That's the security.
Grizzly bear?
They keep it in the they keep it in the G-Wagon at night.
71 is actually closed. That's why going up to 91, but there's CHP right there. So that's our thing.
Give me the go, pa.
Yeah, what?
Ah, güey, yo te voy a decir algo. You
Pa,
wanna
you
race?
have a fuel system.
I didn't even
saw
see
the
your
whole
car.
Gauge, pa, there's a fuel system in it. Viene fuel system en el carro.
Yours is a BMW.
It's a BMW.
And your lighter. It's a fucking work truck. And your
I
lighter.
use that as a daily. You saw the mileage. It has 40,000 miles.
Oh, that's a little bit.
And you digo, I don't even go race.
You're lighter.
Yo no me just to make it fun. Simple as that. What's the minimum?
Minimum was 500.
Okay, well then digo lower.
It's just, I'm looking taking a gamble on this shit.
We are
Big
too.
gamble. Lucky, just for the fun of it, bro. Fuck it, I'll lock it in. 50 to 140? 50 to 140. 50
140.
50 to 140, I'll count it.
What do you guys think, chat?
It's either gonna be a close race or I'm gonna get fucking dogged. Alright guys, I'm about to hit the greedy. Why don't they put it on this side so when they seal the tail lights on my car?
Wait, the tail lights.
Yeah, when he sees my tail lights. Oh, we see them on the GoPro.
Yeah. You're tripping.
Or what if it's opposite?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your brother's putting in 3.
My little brother?
Yeah.
Damn, what the? Oh, really?
I didn't do nothing.
Crazy, pa.
What?
That's crazy.
Little brother
has a mind of his own.
That's his own.
That's crazy.
That's his own life. He can do what he want to do. I don't
He's
know.
psych betting for real. He's betting serious.
300. That's
That's
crazy,
crazy.
bro.
That little fool got motion.
Your brother didn't even bet on me? Alright, that's the last time I'm talking to your brother, pa.
Damn.
Wait, so how much is it? 9? 800?
I think it's 9 right now.
Pa, fuck it.
Let's go.
The 15?
Yo.
El 15 porque está cerrado acá. El 71 está cerrado.
The freeway is good though?
¿Listos?
But we're straight as up, we're
Yeah.
you can see it.
Yeah, then we'll come back here. I
How
get.
much money Luis put on you?
You didn't put shit on me.
All that.
Nothing. Your little brother put 300. That's
Show
crazy,
him the
pa.
fucking list.
No, I didn't make no list. Cause
Oh.
oh,
my
you
bad.
didn't even.
I wasn't
So-
over there.
Every time I bet on your rate, that's crazy, pa.
I didn't put no but. Bye, y'all my boys, both y'all. I didn't put nothing on no
Crazy,
one. I'm just here to
crazy.
watch.
Ay, los $100 que me diste?
Nah, hell. He
Fuck
lying.
it. Allá por la 15 le damos y cuando se mire parejito, pues I'll give you a thumbs up. I'll give you a thumbs up and then I'll tell you, you ready? You ready? And 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Así mero.
No me robes, porque.
No me robes.
Sí, you told him, right? ¿Te digo? No. Sin pedo. Let's get this shit cracking. Bottle, right? No bottle?
Not 1, but 2.
Hey, Loki, can I put some shit in your trunk? Look at the stupid shit that I have. Oh no, Loki's like a hug. Nomás son garras, that's it.
How do you think the race is gonna go?
The truck being a Whipple, my boy Juan being on stock turbos and all, it's a tough race. You know, the Whipple truck should get it, but Juan for the win, baby.
Damn, bro, we should have been more PQ songs lit all the way.
How do you feel?
Nervous? I look, thought I was gonna lose. Me when I lie?
I know, bro.
No, actually, I thought I was gonna get got, bro. It's a fucking whole Whipple on that with the fuel system,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh, is it?
He said it was fully built. I thought
it was stock.
No, he said it was fully built.
Good race. Which one? You gonna race the track or no? I don't know. How about gambling?
Huh?
You saw this boat right here raced it?
I know, boat on a Whipple versus a stock M3.
You're light as fuck.
Bah, not that light.
You know how much this weigh back?
Like 48.
F-150.
No, Shelby.
No pongas cosas. We raced it and you beat me and that's it, papá.
Pa. Alright, papá.
Ahí estamos.
Good shit, pa.
¿Ya te dieron el dinero o no?
Yeah, they gave it to me. 800.
Does it feel good that people, you know, winning?
Yeah, so far they've been doing good. So homie making me some money.
Are they real? How much you put up, huh? You put up
300.
Yeah?